act of the night, who's come all the way from West Lothian in Scotland.
She's the woman from a tiny village. The woman from a tiny village with a big, big voice. I think you know who I'm talking about. It's Susan Boyle.
What's your name, darling?
Susan Boyle.
What's the dream?
Trying to be a professional singer.
No one is laughing now.
It's 3 S's. You're through.
All my life, I've always striven to prove myself. Like, I can be accepted, that I'm not the worthless person that people think I am, that I do have something to offer.
This one little woman from a tiny village in Scotland has got the whole world talking about her.
The story behind a singer...
That was Susan Boyle.
Susan Boyle!
Can 100 million people be wrong?
I don't think she's really got a clue as to the impact she's made.
But YouTube is fairly new to me. Not only Tube I knew, just Tube of Smarties.
The whole world is watching Susan Boyle perform tonight. I wouldn't want to be standing where she is right now.
Being on Britain's Got Talent is a chance to turn things around, to fulfil the dream. I just want that chance to perform in front of the Queen.
Here she is. Please welcome Susan Boyle. If you think Susan deserves a place in the final, the number to call is 09011 32 22 or 8. Calls cost
still be charged.
Susan, you've been waiting all day to do that. How did it feel?
Fantastic.
Good girl.
Absolutely fantastic.
Good girl.
Good. Susan, There's so much I want to ask you. We really don't have time, but try and describe what the last few weeks have been like. 100 million hits on YouTube, in the papers, America. How's it been?
Unbelievable.
Yeah?
Absolutely unbelievable.
Did it add to the pressure for tonight, though?
What pressure? It was really good tonight.
Good girl.
I really enjoyed myself tonight.
You did?
I did.
And I mean, the most important thing is you've enjoyed every minute, have you?
I've enjoyed every second.
Good
And I'd do it again.
Good.
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 Well, let's see if the judges enjoyed it as well. Piers, over to you.
Susan, I think you look absolutely beautiful tonight.
Thank
beautiful.
you very much.
And more importantly, I thought you sang beautifully as well. And the great thing about you that we've all realised is that when the world was going through a pretty tough time and was looking for a bit of hope and inspiration, along came Susan Boyle to provide it. And on behalf of the whole world, because they're all watching you tonight, thank you, Susan, because it's been terrific.
Look at this! Wow! Thanks, Piers. Amanda.
Susan, you're turning into Ava Peron. It's fantastic.
I know.
I am just so relieved that it went so fantastically well for you. I was biting all my acrylic nails off. You nailed that performance. I'm so proud of you, and I'm proud that you represented Britain so brilliantly, because Piers is right. The world is watching you. So well done. Thank you.
Thanks, Amanda. Sam.
Oh, Susan, you are one special lady, I have to say. You really are. And you know what? I just want to apologise because of the way we treated you before you sang the first time. You made me and everyone else look very stupid, and I'm very happy for you, very proud of you.
I know nothing. I am from Barcelona. I know nothing.
Okay. Thank you very much indeed, judges. Susan, great comments. You must be over the moon.
I'm very happy to be here, and thank you all for all your support.
Thank you, Susan.
Thank you, Susan.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it one more time. Susan Boyle! She isn't from Barcelona, by the way. She isn't from Barcelona.
She's got the wave and everything.
We have now seen every single act.
It means a lot to me to be in the final, but I like a challenge, and a challenge I can't ignore. Getting through to the final will prove to myself and others that I am a worthwhile person, that I do have something to offer.
OK, this is how it's going to work. 2 acts are going to make it into the final tonight. The first act going through is the one with the most votes. The second will be chosen by the judges from the next 2 most popular acts. So, here goes with the result of the public vote. Good luck, everybody. OK, this is it. We've seen 8 fantastic performances, but the winner of the first semi-final and going through to the final of Britain's Got Talent is... Susan Boyle!
Congratulations, Susan! 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 Over here! Susan! It's all right. Stay here with me. Just stay up here with me for 1 second. That's all right, just stay here. You've won the public vote tonight. How does that make you feel right now?
Absolutely Hey, this one's for you, Piers. Piersy, baby!
We will see you again on Saturday for the final. One more time, Susan Boyle, everybody!
Wow, so Susan has secured the first place in the final.